If only the hotels would show their real experience of booking. They haven't been to my short-term rental house yet. A little thought, creativity, and heart make hospitality.
Cool retro stairs from the 60s. I love these books.
My home received only 5-star reviews in the past year. My rental home is the heart of hospitality. Do your work here. Enjoy your celebrations here. Hotels have 350 square feet. My tub might be bigger. The new hotel is a short-term luxury rental home. Forget the hotels. You won't forget how this home makes you feel. Details and bookings at corporatehousinsanjose.com.